Package. So this big box contains 3 items I bought back in November on Amazon Prime's Black Friday. So I guess it's a bit of an unboxing. And the item I'm unboxing today is this. Doqaus. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I am sure I am butchering the name. Doqaus. Anyway, these are the Care 1 wireless headphones. Now, looking at the box, they just look like a load of other wireless headphones. Doesn't really give a lot away. Actually, on this side it tells you about the EQ modes, which is sort of like the type of bass modes you can get on here. So you can get a high resolution, treble, mid-range bass balance, and a heavy bass.
Bass. I like the buttery biscuit bass.
Now I purchased these for, I think it was about around £25 back in the Black Friday sales. They are not on sale now. That's how much they are currently. I will leave a link in the description below for this product. Now, let's get to the unboxing. And as you'll see, I've already used these products. I bought them back in November. It's now May of the following year. So I have used these. When I listen to music with these, it's not for when I'm doing like running or any exercise or anything. I have in-ear ones. These are more for if you're just sitting back and relaxing. Anyway, let's get to the product. So, I have everything which was in that box in the handy little carry bag which you receive with it. So that's the first item out of it. I also have a audio jack. One side goes into your device or your mobile phone, your laptop, whatever. The other side goes into the headphones. So they are wireless. When you're using this, it doesn't actually use any power of the headphones, so quite a good thing to do if you run out of battery. Good thing to have with you. This is the 18-month guarantee, extended warranty. That was also in the box. Try and leave the headphones to last. You get a USB Type B connector to charge these headphones with. And then finally, you get the headphones. Now, they fold up for storage, which is handy. Takes up less room in a suitcase or bag or when you're travelling around. And they snap down like that, like so. Now, they've got a decent quality plastic on top, like faux cream leather underneath. They are extendable. And the headphones themselves have this nice, like soft, squishy cushion around the ears. Your left ear and your right ear. They do fold out like that, so if you want to wear them around your neck, you can wear them like that. On the left ear, we have a microphone, so you can make phone calls with this. You have the audio in for your jack, the charging USB Type B port, and the on button. So to turn it on, you just hold it down for a couple of seconds, and then the indicator switches on to tell you it's connected. Now, flashes like this, when it's connected, you'll hear in the headphones hello, and it'll tell you it's connected. And then it's the same to turn it off. If you just hold it down, and then you'll see it, and then it's off. If you go the other way, you get the EQ mode, which is the 3 modes which I explain on the box, which are high resolution, a treble mid-range, like balanced bass, and the heavy bass sounds. So, and like I say, I've been using these now for 6 months, and basically I've just stuck with the high resolution mode. It does the job for everything. I will turn it on, turn the volume up on these, and give you a listen to see how it is. Now, I am no audiophile, so I haven't created like a mannequin's head with a microphone inside like other YouTubers have to see how quality the sound is. But for me, these are very good headphones. They're not noise cancelling, but for £24, they do the job very well for what I wanted. Good quality build. On this side, you have the play and pause button at the bottom. You've got 4 different possible buttons here. So play and pause down the bottom. That is to answer and hang up calls if you get a call coming in when you're listening to it. This is to turn the volume down, volume up, or if you hold it, it'll restart the track or skip to the previous one. And likewise, if you hold that, it skips to the next track. Right, I've just connected this headphones up to my mobile phone just to give you a little example of the quality of sound you get from these. So that was it in high resolution mode. So would I recommend these headphones? Definitely. Especially if you're looking for wireless headphones at the £25 to £40 budget end price range. Decent build quality, comfortable even when worn for long periods of time, great sounding, and they've got excellent battery life. Now, I have left a link in the description below, so go and check them out if you're interested in them. If you have found this unboxing and quick review helpful, remember to give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel, as I do have a few more product videos coming up in the near future, along with a lot of other different various types of videos coming up as well. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.